In the name of Jesus, thy we shall be Allah. Hello, brothers and sisters. Today I stand before you as a representative of the Christian community, asked with you in an article that explores 7 innovative online business ideas for digital entrepreneurship. In our ever-evolving digital age, it is vital for us to assess such ideas and concepts from a perspective that aligns with our faith and values. Let us delve into this article analyzing each online business idea through an Orthodox Christian lens. Let's begin with e-commerce store. Starting an online store presents an opportunity for entrepreneurship, but it must be approached with ethical considerations. Orthodox Christians must prioritize honesty, integrity, and fair business practices. Selling products that uphold our faith and morals is commendable, but caution must be exercised to avoid promoting materialism and excessive consumerism. Let's continue. Podcasting. Podcasting can be a powerful tool for spreading Christian teachings and values. It provides a platform to discuss spirituality, faith, and moral principles. However, we must ensure that our podcast aligns Christian doctrine and do not propagate beliefs contrary to our faith. Number 3, virtual assistant business. Offering virtual assistance services can be a noble endeavor as it aids individuals and businesses. It is crucial to maintain ethical standards in all tasks and not engage in activities that compromise our Christian values. Upholding honesty, confidentiality, and diligence is paramount. Number 4, freelance graphic design. Graphic design can be a means to communicate the gospel visually. Creating designs that promote Christian messages and values is a worthy endeavor. However, we must exercise discernment in the projects we undertake, avoiding those that conflict with our faith. Number 5, online courses and tutorials. Sharing knowledge and skills through online courses can be an excellent way to educate others. Orthodox Christians can contribute by offering courses on theology, church history, and moral ethics. These courses should uphold our faith and guide students toward a deeper understanding of Orthodox Christianity. Number 6, dropshipping business. While dropshipping can be lucrative, Orthodox entrepreneurs must be cautious about the products they sell, ensure that their merchandise aligns with Christian values and does not promote worldly indulgence or unethical practices. Finally, self-publishing. Self-publishing offers a platform for Orthodox Christian writers to share their faith through books. However, it is essential to maintain theological accuracy and moral integrity in our writings. Our goal should be to spread the gospel and inspire spiritual growth. In conclusion, I want to tell you, my brothers and sisters, as Christians, we have a responsibility to integrate our faith into every aspect of our lives, including our entrepreneurial endeavors. Each of these online business ideas can be pursued with the intention of serving God and our fellow human beings. Let us remember the words of St. Paul, wherever you do, work heartily, as for the Lord and not for men. Allah says stage what is the ESB. May our digital entrepreneurship be guided by the light of Christ and a commitment to uphold our Orthodox Christian values. Thank you for your attention, and also thank you, entrepreneur, for providing us with valuable ideas for digital entrepreneurship. Glory to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit, now and ever, and unto ages of ages. Amen. In the name of Jesus, thy we shall be Allah.